How's it going? My name's question. Back to another video. I don't have a hat. Today, we're going to a vlog, and though it's night time, it's bonfire night. So we're going to go outside and do some stuff. Let's go. Firework.
Mason.
So we're about to do something else. It's like this giant one. Oh, I'm gonna go hide in this little house. I'm hiding. I don't trust these peeps. Right, they're gonna fire a rocket. A rocket.
Look, gonna go.
This is like mad lad.
That was awesome. Even awesome.
Bang! Yeah, here we go.
Oh, that was that disappointing.
Boom! Hold on to it as it goes up. Hold on to it as it flies. Woo!
Yeah, no joke, that was disappointing. That's the fire and that's the dial. My God. You're good enough, Dad. Put it up! Yeah!
Right, off we go again. Move out the way!
Sorry.
Fathead!
Oh, fathead!
Shut up!
No, when you see the ball, you just go.
Yeah.